Hello and welcome to this edition of Lynxspring Live. I'm Bruce Stimpson, Vice President and CIO of Lynxspring. I'm here today with Terry Swope, our President and CEO, and with Marc Petock, our new Vice President of Marketing. Welcome, gentlemen.
Hey, Bruce. How are we doing today, buddy?
Great to be here with you.
Doing great. Terry, I'll let you do the honors here. Let's introduce Marc.
Well, yes, yeah. We've got some exciting things going on here at Lynxspring right now, finishing up the best year we've ever had. And we topped that whole thing off with a discussion that started in January of this year at ASHRAE. You know, we've known Marc now for 5, 6, 7 years, his tenure at Tridium. And I approached Marc in January at ASHRAE, and I said, Marc, I need a Marc Petock. And we had some further discussions about him helping us find somebody again in May when we met at Summit. And lo and behold, the planets aligned and the stars came out at night and started shining, and we are now lucky to say we don't have a Marc Petock, we have the Marc Petock on staff. Welcome, Marc, and I just want to welcome you to our family.
Thanks, Terry. Greatly appreciate it, and that's very flattering.
Marc, tell us a little bit about your background. And
Sure.
Just kind of let us know who Marc Petock is for those who don't know.
For those of you who don't know, I've been in this industry for almost 10 years now, and I'm a big supporter of open platforms and technology that really drives performance, results, and one of those companies is Lynxspring, who has been able to take some great technology and build a channel, come out with some outstanding solutions. And for someone like me who's in marketing, who loves to run his mouth and publicize things, I could not be in a better place. And so I'm so excited to be here. And looking forward to working with each and every one listening to this podcast, and looking forward to it.
Well, we're excited about having you here, too.
Amen.
Give us a little history, if you don't mind, about where you've been
Sure.
prior to landing with us.
Sure. Well, I'll give you the kind of the
Reader's Digest version.
The Reader's Digest. After I graduated college, I decided to sow my wild oats. And there's only one place to really sow your wild oats in the United States, and that's New York City. So I went to New York City. And fortunately enough, got a job, worked in Manhattan for about 10 years, and then basically got burnt out. So moved to Virginia and got involved with technology marketing for some marketing agencies during my career. Decided to get back into the client side and came across Tridium, worked at Tridium for all these years, and that's a little bit about my background. Very big in technology marketing.
Yep, absolutely.
Well, we're excited. Marc and I have known each other, like I said, since he came on at Tridium. We seem to be the old guys around Tridium these days. We were just kind of walking down memory lane and realized that we've had a 13-year relationship with Tridium, and we've watched different management staffs come and go, and we're real proud to say that they now have a new direction, and we're excited now to take that next step at Tridium. Is moving towards being a software company. We, on the other hand, are the guys with the boots on the street, and Marc knows this business like the back of his own hand, both nationally and internationally. We have some real surprises that are going to be coming up at ASHRAE in just a couple of months, and to have this man on board is just going to take us to heights that we've never known before.
Again, it's really exciting time, and as Terry alluded to, you'll start to hear a little bit more in the next couple of weeks about some of these new and exciting products and offerings that we're going to be announcing for the very first time at ASHRAE. And we really think there's some industry game changers here, and really excited about it.
All right. Everybody's anxious to learn more, I'm sure, and they'll find out about that a lot at ASHRAE. If they want to contact you, they'll contact you at our regular Lynxspring phone number, which is 816-347-3500. And it's also
Marc.Petock at lynxspring.com. And
that's
again,
marc.petock. There you
absolutely.
Go. Well, Marc, we're excited to have you here, and it looks like the phones are already ringing. So thanks very much, and thank you all for listening to this episode of Lynxspring Live.